and welcome back to Tea Time with Tina. Today, when I was out in the field picking some wildflowers for my tea, I came across my very special friend, Jitters, the Scarecrow. Why don't you say hello to everyone, Jitters? Well, come along now. Say hello. Oh, my. Dealing with a bit of anxiety today, are we, Jitters? Bit of the old nerves pressing in on you. Well, perhaps we can do something to help our friend Jitters today. And you know I've already got the solution, duckies. Yes, we're already brewing a lovely pot of chrysanthemum and chamomile tea. Now, chrysanthemum blossoms have long been used to treat high blood pressure and angina. Oh, don't worry, darling, it's just a touch of chest pain. Well, perhaps we should go ahead and pour out, shall we? Forgot this strainer, darling. We'll have to just make do, you know. Use the old kitchen sieve. There you go. Bit of you, bit for you, bit for the table. Oh, yes, oh, lovely. Oh, isn't that lovely? We'll just strain that lovely tea right out of there, saving those little chrysanthemum blossoms for later. Oh, yes, let's just mop that up a little bit. Just dabbing, just dabbing. There we are, there we are. Yeah, just dabbing, just dabbing, just dabbing. Oh, yes, now let's have some of our lovely chrysanthemum blossom and chamomile tea. And do you know that among other things, it symbolizes the happiness, love, joy, and longevity. Oh, my. Oh, just careful now, careful. Steady on, steady on, steady on. Oh, my. Okay. All right, oh, just going to jab you a bit, darling. Just, yes, let's just, oh, yes, okay, okay, well, perhaps while you carefully sip a bit more of your tea, I'll tell you this lovely story, soothing, calming story, yes, about a friend of mine, years ago, lovely chap, and he had a similar problem to you, but he had a terrible fear of flying. Said he wouldn't do it. Just would not do it. And I said, but darling, you need to get out there. You need to go. You need to see the wonders of the world. Perhaps fly to America. See the Grand Canyon. Fly to Egypt. See the pyramids. And he said, oh, no, I will not do it. I will not fly. I will not go to Egypt. And I will not go into denial. But anyway, when I pressed the point, he absolutely refused, saying, no, I will not do it because Jesus told me not to. I said, what do you mean Jesus told you not to? He said, what Jesus said, and lo, I am with you always. No. Do you know, come to think of it, he even walked a bit low. A little, yes, a bit low, a little hunched over, hunched over. Low. Well, well, darling, let's sip a bit more of our tea. And, you know, I do believe if we can get some more of this in her, it'll just, it'll fix it. Steady on, darling, that is my fine china. You're bouncing out there on the saucer. Well, sadly, duckies, that's all the time that we have for today. But perhaps this will do the trick. Maybe we'll just get a bit more in it. It'll do the trick, I dare say. Well, sadly, duckies, that's all the time we have for today. But we'll see you next time. Perhaps on Tea Time with Tina. Yes. Steady on, darling. Steady on. Yes, there we are. There, see, I told you that will do the trick, did I not? say it, yes.